What is going on, guys? So today we got a few more parts that just came in. I'm still waiting for one more thing, but it's in back order, unfortunately. But yeah, so let me show you guys what I got. So as you guys can see, we have a double bubble windscreen from Zero Gravity, and we got pretty much like a GYTR quick shifter for the bike. So it's like a OE shifter. Really don't have to do a lot of work. Been looking at videos, and yeah, and the double bubble. So should change the look of the bike. So let me get started with. I'm probably gonna do the windscreen first. Unfortunately, I'm gonna lose the sticker. I got new stickers on the way too. So, but yeah, like I said, follow the team. So let's get started. So, like I said, this is the factory one, and then this is the gravity. It just, from the looks of it, I don't know if you guys can see, it's a little bit longer. So should be pretty dope. That's side by side. So it looks like they're just Phillips screws, and it should just pop out. I have removed it before, because as you guys can see, it's actually plastic dip. It's not black. It's plastic dip from the inside instead of the outside. That's why it looks pretty, like if it was tinted like this. So, but yeah, let me get started with that. So here's a better side by side. As you guys can see, like I said, this one's longer and it pops out more than compared to the factory one. But so it looks like you just gotta remove the rubber grommets from the factory and just transfer it to this one, and then pretty much for the bolts could go back in. Like I said, seems all plastic dip. Came out pretty good. Couldn't really tell. And trying to not lose the washers. So I got them on. I don't know if you guys can see, but they're a little beat. Kind of hard to put them in there. But now that I got them on there, time to put windscreen back on. So here it is. It's on. It's actually easier to put this one on instead of the stock one, because like it sits more tighter. But yeah, I throw a little cinematics real quick, and that's it, pretty much. Let me remove this, I guess. Yeah, can't wait to put my new stickers. I'm gonna try to put my Instagram here, and then the teams here. But yeah, like I said, now that you said lower, you could, let me see, try to get a, whoa. But yeah, covers up more, so pretty dope. So now that that's done, let's move on to the quick shifter. Like I said, it's just an OE quick shifter. You could pretty much could have got it when you got the bike, but as you guys can see, I don't have one. And this is really gonna help out. I think, let's see, part number. Let's see, quick shifter. I think it's that one. If anybody wants to get a quick shifter, that's the brand. Pretty easy. Watch reviews. I mean, YouTube videos of it getting installed, and it's not really that hard. It just plugs right in. There should be a plug underneath the, I think, the seat or the gas tank, and pretty much that's it. No cutting or nothing. So let's take the factory apart. And so there's one guy, he kind of removed all this. What's his name? Monosity. He just did it with all the plastic still on. So I think I'm gonna try to give that a try and go from there. So I need a 10 mil. So pretty much the quick shifter, this is how it comes. Well, this is all part. It comes with a locking nut. Put it there, and like I said, it should just be plug and play. As you guys can see, I removed this. And I just lowered it so I could loosen this, unscrew it, and then pretty much screw the bottom end to there, and then unscrew the top one. And that's pretty much it. Should put everything back together and just feel how you like the pedal to be, and then go from there, and then try to take the top part. So let me get doing that, and then I'll pick up the camera back on. So kind of got it installed. It was kind of a pain in the butt. I don't even know if this is how loose it should be or not. I'm not sure. But I try to do my best with the images that it gives you, because it gives you how much the gap could be. So I was just going based off that. And yeah, pretty much got it all on there. It looks like I just have it in the max. I haven't got a feel of it, but I think you just gotta check that now. Just gotta, you know, what's it called? Pretty much drag the connector all the way to where the plug's at, which I need to look for. So as you guys can see, the bike's pretty much all apart because the plug is actually, oh, damn, I'm keeping screws everywhere. It's actually underneath here. Let's see if I could get it. It's hard to try to get it when you're by yourself. You know, if you have small hands, then pretty much you don't have to lift the bike fully, but I believe it's that gray one that you guys can see right there, but I still can't even reach it with my hands. So, should be a plug. Yep, it is that one, because there's a plug right there. So yeah, so and then that's where this would just plug in. So yeah, it's underneath the bike. Unless, like I said, unless you guys have friends with small little fingers or something, and you guys could get it without removing all this, good luck. But I'm gonna try to lift it up with one hand and then try to grab the cable. So hold on. Yeah, it is that one. See, like I said, it's just a plug. So you guys can see it's still right there, unplugged. So now I just gotta fish this one in here, just following the factory stuff here. And I should be able to get it. Oh, sorry for the, there it is, you see. So pretty much just get that and plug it in. Like I said, it comes with clamps, so you guys could clamp it into place and stuff. But I think I'm just gonna use zip ties or something. So let me just put everything back together and go from there. So pretty much it's all done, so I'll put back together. As you guys can see, I'm outside. I know it looks bad outside, but yeah. This is where people had difficulties. I kept looking at videos, so I guess you put the ignition on and then slap it into second, and then I think you turn it off. Go to third, hold it there for 10 seconds. Or is it supposed to stay on? I think it's supposed to stay on. Hold it 10 seconds or 20 seconds, I don't know. I don't know how many seconds that is. I think I'm just gonna turn it off. So as you guys can see, the bike's back inside, and quick shifter lights on. I've seen a bunch of videos and everybody has issues to actually get it activated. I was struggling. That's why I had to stop and actually try to do this myself. But everybody's saying, have it in second with the ignition on, turn it off, go into third, turn it back on, hold it for what, 10, 20 seconds or 30, I think it was. And I believe you turn it off again and then turn it back on, and hopefully it's on. If not, then you just have it on like that and then hold the clutch and it should turn on for you guys. And it's amazing how much different a quick shifter is. I really recommend you guys get a quick shifter. But yeah, I'll probably do a video of it how it sounds tomorrow. So you guys can see it was dark. So catch you guys in the next one.